For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a textile business has traditionally required significant capital, research, and manpower. Today, free artificial intelligence tools can dramatically reduce the time and cost involved in launching your venture. Whether you're producing fabrics, selling garments, or designing custom prints, AI can help you ideate, plan, design, market, and manage your business more efficiently. Below is a practical step-by-step guide to launching your textile business using free AI tools, including specific tool functions and prompt suggestions. Step 1. Define your textile niche with AI assistance. Before diving into production or sourcing, it's essential to define what segment of the textile industry you want to enter. AI can help with trend analysis and competitive research. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm viable textile business ideas based on market gaps, budget, and personal interests. You can ask, ChatGPT, suggest low-cost textile business ideas based on current fashion and home decor trends. You can also use Google Trends or the free version of Exploding Topics to analyze popular textile-related search trends. For example, type in sustainable fabrics or ethnic prints to see what's gaining momentum. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI tools. Once you've chosen your niche, use ChatGPT to draft a detailed business plan. A strong plan will include your mission, products, target customers, operational strategy, marketing approach, and financial estimates. Prompt ChatGPT with, create a business plan for a textile company focused on organic cotton clothing for women aged 25 to 45 in the U.S. You can then refine each section step by step by prompting, expand the marketing strategy section of the business plan above. Alternatively, you can use Notion AI, free with a basic Notion account, to structure and format your plan into sections, tables, and checklists. Step 3. Use AI for product design and prototyping. If you're manufacturing textiles or custom prints, AI design tools can save time and money. Use tools like Canva's free AI image generator or Microsoft Designer to visualize fabric patterns, product mock-ups, or even design inspiration boards. You can prompt, generate 5 pattern design ideas for floral-themed textiles in vintage style. For fashion items, tools like Sketchbook or Adobe Express, free tiers available, allow you to prototype garment sketches and color palettes. You can also use ChatGPT to assist with product specifications by asking, give me a technical sheet outline for a cotton t-shirt. Step 4. Source materials and partners with AI assistance. Finding reliable suppliers or manufacturers can be overwhelming, especially if you're new. ChatGPT can help create email scripts or supplier queries. Prompt it with, write a professional email to a textile supplier asking for wholesale pricing and minimum order quantity for bamboo fabric. Use Perplexity AI or U.com, both offer free plans, to find suppliers by prompting. Find textile manufacturers offering organic cotton in small MOQ. You can also automate initial research with AI-powered browser extensions like ChatGPT for search engines, which surfaces summaries and suggestions as you browse. Step 5. Build your brand identity with AI tools. Branding is critical in standing out. Use Loca, free for logo creation previews, or Canva's free AI logo generator to design your brand logo and visual identity. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm names with a prompt like, suggest 10 creative brand names for a luxury textile company focused on handmade linen. You can then ask, write a brand story and tagline for the chosen name that highlights sustainability and craftsmanship. These tools can also help create packaging designs, business cards, and social media banners. Step 6. Create a marketing plan with AI assistance. Marketing is where AI tools can shine. Use ChatGPT to draft your entire marketing strategy with a prompt like, write a digital marketing plan for an online textile store selling printed fabrics to DIY fashion designers. Break it down further into email campaigns, social media strategy, SEO, and influencer outreach. Canva can help you create AI-generated visuals for Instagram and Pinterest. Use MailChimp's free tier to set up AI-optimized email campaigns. For blog writing or SEO, try prompting ChatGPT. Write a 500-word blog post on the benefits of organic cotton for sustainable fashion. Step 7. Set up an online store with AI guidance. You don't need to hire a developer to build an online store. Use Shopify's free trial or WooCommerce on WordPress and let ChatGPT guide you step by step. Ask, how do I set up a basic WooCommerce store for selling textiles? ChatGPT can also help you write product descriptions with prompts like, write a persuasive product description for a hand-woven silk scarf with floral patterns. For a no-code AI option, try Wix's AI-powered website builder, which creates layouts and content based on your input. Step 8. Manage operations using free AI tools. AI can also help streamline your backend. Use Google Sheets with ChatGPT to build custom inventory or order tracking templates. Prompt. Create a Google Sheets template to track fabric inventory, including quantity, source, cost, and restock alerts. You can also automate basic tasks using free tiers of Zapier or Airtable, both of which have AI tools for workflow automation. For customer communication, use ChatGPT to draft FAQs or chatbot responses. Prompt. Write an FAQ section for a textile business offering custom printed fabric orders. Step 9. Create marketing content with AI generators. Ongoing content is key for building audience trust. Use ChatGPT to script TikTok or YouTube video ideas. Suggest 5 short video scripts for promoting hand-dyed textiles on Instagram. Use Pictory.ai or Lumen 5 with free versions to turn blog posts into videos automatically. Use 11 Labs' free AI voice generator or TTS Maker for adding narration to your videos. Canva can turn AI-written content into visually engaging reels, Pinterest posts, or brochures in minutes. Conclusion. Starting a textile business no longer requires massive upfront investment in design, marketing, or admin work. With the strategic use of free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Perplexity AI, and others, you can launch and scale a textile venture with clarity, speed, and creative edge. From generating product ideas to designing your store and building customer engagement, AI can be your silent business partner. By following the steps above and using the recommended prompts, you can turn your textile business dream into reality smarter and faster than ever before. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.